So in this video, guys, we are going to dive into XRP and the big wallets that are all of a sudden accumulating more XRP. We have seen a huge surge in interest in XRP here in 2023. We've even seen some positive price action amid rumors that we're getting close to finalizing this lawsuit once and for all. XRP addresses, though, holding at least 100,000 in particular, have been surging. We're going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about some other key important things that happened recently with the Ripple CTO confirming that 10 things XRP community needs to get right. We're going to dive into all of that in this video, so make sure you stick around until the end. A lot of helpful information for you as we take a look at XRP. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. Let's dive in. Firstly, looking at XRP addresses holding 100,000 or more and this renewed interest all of a sudden. So this is a chart from Coinmetrics. I'm going to show you here in just a second, showing a sharp increase in these addresses since the start of the year. Again, these are addresses holding at least 100,000 worth of the asset. We have seen a steady increase recently, having surged above 13,800 this year. Let me get myself off screen here for a minute, because check this out. You could see what this chart looks like in a recent surge where we were at the end of 2022. We got a little bit of a pop, then we came back down, and look at this tail end of the chart here in 2023, again, showcasing notable XRP addresses holding at least 100K worth of the asset. And we have seen a huge increase recently in the number of those holders. Now, the gradual upsurge in these addresses mirrors the pattern observed in early 2021, which coincided with XRP's rally to an all-time high of $1.96 in April that year. This occurred despite the US's SEC's charges, which sprang up in December 2020. So again, keep in mind that that happened after 2020 when the SEC charged Ripple Labs. So XRP addresses as a whole also currently sits at 4.66 million, having increased by over 320,000 since hitting 4.3 milestone last October. So huge number of increase there since October. Masari noted last month that the Ripple network is on track to house 5 million wallet addresses very, very soon. As previously reported, over 50 whale addresses holding 10 million and 100 million XRP were added to the network late last month as the price rally continued to gain steam. Now, all of that is very, very crucial, but I want to take you inside something else that's really, really big here. So let me dive in here. Ripple CTO confirms 10 things XRP community needs to get right. And these are some common misconceptions within the ecosystem. And I'm going to highlight a few key ones. I'm not going to go through all of them here, but the user noted, it was a user from the XRP community, noted that XRP could not be pegged to traditional financial instruments like gold, silver, etc. His assertion is in response to the widespread speculation suggesting that XRP could be backed by gold. So this is not the case. By the way, all of these things that were put out there by a community member were then backed by the Ripple CTO, basically confirming that all these things that were said are accurate. Okay, so that's number one. And secondly, this is that community member, by the way, Sir Clown Sniper, said it's impossible for XRP to magically become a stablecoin, just like USDT, USDC, and USDC. So this is also true, which I think is good for Ripple. We don't want to be a stablecoin necessarily. We want upside, right, in terms of an investor standpoint. Also, the sixth largest crypto by market value has no relationship with ISO 2022 plays. This is interesting because it bears mentioning that Ripple joined ISO 22 in 2020, becoming the first member focused on DLT, distributed ledger technology, but they don't have any relationship with them. So interesting. I don't know if something kind of fizzled out there, but I guess we'll wait and see if we get more information regarding that. And a couple other things here. So this last one, I want to clarify this. RippleNet is different from XRP Ledger. Also, the user notified XRP enthusiasts that the United States government would not buy their tokens from them. So a couple of these things are true. And again, Ripple CTO says the points are true. all of these points made in this article. So I wanted to kind of highlight on a couple of those, as well as bring you up to speed on this news that we went over first, which I think is major. XRP addresses holding at least 100K, surge above 13K, and we're seeing a big boost in the number of big addresses. There it is right above me there on screen. We'll see if this trend continues to move upwards here as it has been since late 2022. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. Make sure you subscribe for more content on XRP right here down below. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.